Well, hello friends and followers. Some of you might know what this board goes to. This is a test. If you can identify this board, you get a free pass to the Amateur Radio Expertise Lab. Anyway, this is the minor loop board from a Paragon 1. And I've had the express honor of replacing this phase lock loop chip. That's probably a copy from China that I've put in there. I ordered 5 of these from China. I couldn't get them anywhere else on eBay, so in they came. Here's the old phase lock loop chip. This thing worked. It just wouldn't lock all the way, but it would lock. So we'll see if the copy works better or whatever that is. That's a P2 version. This is a P version, and that's a P2. So maybe that will be a little more lenient or generous with lock. Anyway, the previous owner of this board had the correct parts all soldered all around here where the oscillator is, but had lots of flux all through it. At any rate, I did a little more soldering today, and what really mattered was I cleaned it up with, of all things, this stuff gets off flux. So nail polish remover with natural nails, coconut, avocado, and olive oils, quality guaranteed. This stuff actually took off a lot of the old flux. So flux off, people, and maybe that'll improve things. There was lots of really hairy, weird flux in here, which I spent time getting off. And so we'll see if the new chip and lack of flux will improve the situation on the minor loop, or whether this board won't work at all anymore. At any rate, I still have the old chip, so I guess I could throw this chip in the socket if all goes to hell and back and see if the board comes back up. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I'm going to put this into the Paragon number 2 now. As you know, Paragon number 2 was working. It did lock mostly, but there were certain sections where it wouldn't lock, and that is disgusting. So I had to fix that. It makes the radio kind of useless, because if you got friends or people on those frequencies that you can't lock on, you're not talking, you're not listening, you're just done. So anyway, I'll put this back in the radio, and the next video might show how to tune this bugger using pin 7 on this chip and tuning up this oscillator. So we'll see. I would think it would just lock the way it is. If this chip is better and this is close, it should just work. But yeah, we'll see. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.